The World Buddhist Sangha Youth WBSY 16th General Conference International Sangha Offering Ceremony for the blessings of Taiwan, Cross Straits, and world peace. 典礼开始。
The ceremony may now begin. May we now call upon the arrival of the president of the ceremony and the respective most venerable elders and mahatheros, as well as all the distinguished guests. May we all rise with the sincerest heart. Let's welcome the arrival of the most venerable and distinguished guests.
May we all rise facing towards the Buddha and bow 3 times.
We would like to invite the most venerable Anunnakayaka and the most venerable elders and mahatheros to face the audience. We would like to invite all the audience to bow and pay respect.
With the warmest round of applause, let's welcome the president of the ceremony, Master Shi Kuan Ru. Master Shi Kuan Ru is the president of the ceremony, the 48th Great Master of Lingji School of Zen Buddhism, the president of the WBSY, the chairman of Gong De San Buddhism Foundation, as well as the abbot of Gong De San Temple. With the warmest applause, we'd also like to welcome the Master Hong Xian of Taiwan, who is the committee member of Taipei Buddhist Association. Welcome. We'd also like to, with the warmest welcome the most venerable Matsela Dhammakusala Anunnayaka Mahathero, the Anunnayaka of Sri Lanka Ramana Mahanikaya. Welcome. We'd also like to welcome the most venerable Mugunuwela Anuruddha Thero, the Secretary General of WBSY. We'd also like to welcome the most venerable Pravida Bhavanamjan Mahathero, the Theravada President of WBSY and the board Wapra Dhammakaya, California, USA. We'd also like to welcome the Venerable Dr. Se Kung Hian, the Vice President of Thai Sangha Samatka Singapore from Singapore. We'd like to also welcome Master Hong Pa from Korea, the abbot Myeongkasa Temple of Korea. Let's welcome the most venerable Dr. Pongchai Palawadamo from Thailand, who is also the president of World Alliance of Buddhists Thailand. We'd also like to welcome Master Yuan Zhao from Taiwan, the abbot Kaohsiung Longshan Temple. Plus, let's welcome Shangzhi Xiaguang, Master Zhi Guang Fashi from Taiwan Buddhist Association. With the warmest applause, let's welcome the most venerable Prakupajul Jatiya Barak, the WBSY President of Thailand. Welcome. Let's all welcome the most venerable Laksapana Chandawimala Thero, who is also the WBSY President of Sri Lanka. Let's all also welcome Venerable Prapasura Dantamano from Thailand. 中国江苏定慧禅师，让我们以热烈的掌声欢迎上华夏明法师。Let's welcome Master Hua Ming from China. Let's also welcome Venerable Dhammasaro Thero, the President of WBSY Laos. With the warmest applause, let's also welcome the President of WBSY Cambodia, the most venerable Hak Siang Hai. Let's also welcome the President of WBSY Bangladesh, the Venerable Gaya Nawanso Thero. Let's welcome Master of Kaohsiung Longshan Temple, Master Ying Han from Taiwan. With the warmest applause, let's all welcome Master Jipong, the abbot of Bangyo Temple, Korea from Korea. Let's also welcome Most Venerable Seikai Vadi from Myanmar, who is also the Vice President of WBSY. First of all, let's welcome the Mayor of the City of Taiwan, Mr. Ko Wen-jie from Taiwan. Welcome the Executive Chairman of Taiwan Industrial and Commercial Business Society of Operation and Development, Mr. Guo Yujie. We also like to welcome Cai Biru主任 from Taiwan.
献供。May we all rise with our most respectful and grateful heart. We may now invite the president of the ceremony, who is now the president of the World Buddhist Sangha Youth WBSY, as well as the 48th Great Master of Lingji School of Zen Buddhism, Master Shi Kuan-ru, as the representative of Mahayana, to lead the chanting of the Great Compassion Mantra for the blessings of Taiwan, world peace, and the peace of core straits.
Namo Shijili Do Imong Oliye Bolo Jedi Shevola Lento Po Namo Lalai Jinchi Shili Mo Poto Same Sapo Toto Shupa Oshivi Sapo Sato Namo Po Sato Namo Po Chiemo Vata Do Da Chi Dong Opo Lu Xi Lu Jia Di Jia Lo Di 一切礼摩菩提萨埵萨婆萨婆摩来摩来摩西摩西利多云揭罗揭罗揭蒙多罗多罗发舍耶帝摩诃发舍耶帝多来多来帝利尼舍婆拉耶则兰则兰摩摩发摩来摩帝利西西舍那舍阿拉僧瓦拉舍利法萨瓦僧瓦拉舍耶 ho lo ma lai ho lo shi di so lai so shi di so lo so Bodhi ye Bodhi ye Bodho ye mi di ye na lai jin zhi di sa di na Bo ye mo na sa bo ho shi duo ye sa bo ho mo ho shi duo ye sa bo ho shi duo yu shi bo la ye sa bo ho na lai jin zi sa bo ho ma la na lai sa bo ho shi la Sangha mu jie ye sa bo ho so po mo ho shi duo ye sa bo ho zhe ji la shi duo ye sa bo ho
波罗摩揭悉陀耶娑婆诃，那来金子婆揭拉耶娑婆诃，
摩婆利胜揭拉耶娑婆诃，南无阿那达那多拉耶耶，南无利耶，波罗揭谛娑婆拉耶娑婆诃。唵，悉殿多曼多拉。阿陀耶，
萨婆。
We would like to invite the most venerable Anunayaka of Sri Lanka, Ramana Mahanikaya, the most venerable Anuruddha Mahatero, and the venerable Sanghas of Sri Lanka, as well as the Mahateros of Thailand, Myanmar, Laos, and the representatives of Theravada to give blessings.
Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa Ite Pita Bhagava Arahang Samma Sambuddha Vejjacharana Sampanno Sugata Lokavido Anuttaro Purisa Dhammasarati Sattha Deva Manosana Buddha Bhagavati Swakato Bhagavata Dhammo Sanditiko Akaliko Ehipasiko Opanaiko Pachatang Veditabo Vinyohiti Sopatipano Bhagavato Savaka Sangho Vajjapatipano Bhagavato Savaka Sangho Nyayapatipano Bhagavato Savaka Sangho Samijipatipano Bhagavato Savaka Sangho Yaridang Chattari Purisa Yogani Atta Purisa Bodhala Esa Bhagavato Savaka Sangho Ahuneyo Pahuneyo Dakineyo Anjali Karaneyo Anuttarang Punyaketang Lokasati.
Thank you, the most venerable Anunakaya of Sri Lanka, the most venerable Mahateros and Sanghas for the blessings. We would like to invite all the Korean masters for blessings.
조견호